But you know what patients really care about? They care about seeing a good doctor. They care about getting the right treatment. But they also care about not being ripped off. We hear a lot about patient satisfaction and how to improve patient satisfaction scores. A lot of organizations place a big emphasis on patient satisfaction and sometimes even attach a monetary value. But you know what patients really care about? They care about seeing a good doctor. They care about getting the right treatment. But they also care about not being ripped off. They also care about not paying too much for the services. And they care a lot about their wallet. Now, this is never a question on the patient satisfaction score. But how can you make your patients feel better about yourself? Well, if you happen to be an employed physician for a hospital, for example, more likely than not, you have a hospital lab, you have a hospital radiology department, specialists, or if you're specialist primary care doctors, and by virtue of working for a system, you refer your patients within the system. A lot of times, that system is extremely, horribly expensive. Can you help them? Absolutely you can. Unless your patient has some sort of insurance plan attached to your particular hospital, try this next time. If they need an MRI, try sending them to an independent facility. If they need a lab, even a CBC, try sending them to an independent lab. And when you do that, tell them, you know what, I'm gonna send you 3 blocks away from here because it's gonna cost you less. You will be shocked. You will be so surprised as to how much appreciation that little gesture will get you. Next time, why don't you try? In summary, patient satisfaction comes in many different ways. Don't be afraid not to underestimate the financial impact and how it affects your patient. Reimbursement Rx presents an event for all tri-state area resident fellows, established physicians, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants. The Financial Blueprint Seminar for Medical Professionals. It's unfortunate, but the vast majority of newly graduated medical residents and fellows do not understand the business of medicine. And worse still, most established doctors do not either. We are here to teach what residency does not, and what hospital systems and medical groups do not want you to know. June 16 through 17 at the Crown Plaza in Englewood, New Jersey. Register now online at reimbursementrx.org/seminars. There are limited seats available, so register today.